Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are driving over the Harborview Bridge and we're going to give you the weekly update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So it was recently announced that this road will not finish in August 2023. They are hoping, and this is a section of the highway from Harborview to Yalos. It was scheduled to finish in August 2023, and that's 17.4 kilometers of the 144 kilometer Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So the new completion date for this road, the Harborview to Yalos section, is now December 2023, which is a far more realistic deadline. So what the NWA stated the other day is that they're trying to get 2 lanes of the highway from Harborview to Yalos to finish by August. 2 lanes. Now the road from Harborview to Yalos is supposed to be a 4-lane highway, dual carriageway. I mean, right here you can see the construction that's going on. What they're doing between Harborview and Yalos is taking the existing road in most cases and upgrading it or expanding it to 4 lanes, which means you're going to have the Jersey barrier in the middle, which is what you can see going on out here now. So it's going to be 4 lanes from Harborview to Yalos, and then from Yalos to Port Antonio it's going to be 2 lanes. So the hardest section of the road is between, the hardest section to build basically is between Harborview and Yalos, because a lot of structures were built right up against the road. And remember, the road was 2 lanes. So to get those 2 lanes to 4 lanes, you had to remove a lot of structures. Now, over here you can see that fence, that brick wall, it's new. They had to basically remove over 600 structures that were along the roadway to expand it to 4 lanes. And also, that one of the structures to demolish was actually the Bull Bay police station, because it was right up against the road. So that was done, and then in 2 sections they decided to build a new alignment. Basically, in some cases it was, for instance, from Albion Heights to Grandspen, it was easier to build a new road going through the hill than to build a highway going around those winding corners for that section of the road, and that also makes the journey shorter. And then from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park, they built a new road going through the hill, and that was basically to open up that side of St. Thomas to more development. Because, and the view, oh my gosh, it's a spectacular view. We have videos up of the entire roadway, so you can check it out. So basically what's going on here now straight in front of us is the existing roadway being upgraded to 4 lanes. And as we said at the beginning, the National Works Agency, who is now in charge of the project, says they want to get 2 lanes. So basically one side of the dual carriageway up and running by the end of August. Now it's possible, because I must say, now that everybody has put some pressure, or how would we say this politically correct, now that the government realizes that a highway is being built here. I'm joking, guys, I'm joking. Somebody even accused me of being a member of one of the political parties, but we are not affiliated in any way with any political party. We don't talk politics on this road, on this channel. But about 3 weeks ago, everybody in the government realized that this road was being built, and the NWA was being put in charge of the project. And I must say, it is moving much faster now. The Prime Minister met with the Chinese ambassador about this road, and China Harbour Engineering has put on a lot more resources. The NWA actually had a meeting with the Deputy General Manager of China Harbour Engineering Company. He flew to Jamaica and they discussed this road. Now you have to ask yourself the question, why did it take so long? This road was to have finished in April. Nonetheless, I must say a lot of progress is being made on this road now. I'm just telling you guys what happened. You can form your own conclusions. So basically, this Jersey barrier, that's the concrete barricade you see in the middle there, it's going to go all the way up to Harbour View. And they are definitely making some progress. The one drawback is that all this attention was put on the road a bit too late. If it was, so that's why it's not finishing by August. But I must say, China Harbour Engineering Company has definitely stepped up their game, and the road project is moving along nicely now. I believe the end of August is 4 weeks away. This is now the first week in August. 4 weeks. So basically between Harbour View and 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, where they built the new bridge, that is a section of the highway that needs most of the attention. This section here that we're driving on. Now from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to Albion, the 2 lanes are already finished for that section of the road. The 2 lanes, they are paved, they're ready to go. Actually, you can drive on them now. We're going to drive on it today. And that includes both sections of the highway that the new road was built going through the hill. So basically, all that's left is for this section we're driving on to be paved. And I think it can be done because, I mean, we have to give the Chinese credit. I think they can get it done. So basically this is what we're driving on now. It's just to pave one side and then you'll have 2 sides of the road finished. So we'll keep you guys updated with weekly videos on this project. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day guys. And also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know, do you think, well, first of all, what do you think about the December 2023 deadline for the entire section to be finished? And also, what do you think about the 2 lanes being finished by August 2023? Alright guys, have a good day.